Aging dams in India. India is ranked third in the world in terms of building large dams. That means India has built over 5,200 large dams so far. Of these, 1,100 large dams have already reached 50 years of age and some are older than 120 years. The number of such dams will increase to 4,400 by 2050. This means that 80% of the nation's large dams face the prospect of becoming out of date as they will be 50 years to over 150 years old. Krishnarajasagara Dam, which is in Karnataka, was built in 1931 and is now 90 years old. Mettur Dam was constructed in 1934 and is now 87 years old. Both these reservoirs are located in the water-scarce Kaveri River basin. Issues with older dams. As dams age, soil replaces the water in the reservoirs. Therefore, the storage capacity cannot be claimed to be the same as it was in the time it was built. Studies shows that design of many of our reservoirs is flawed. Siltation in India's iconic Bhakra Dam is 139.86% higher than originally assumed. The Bhakra Dam is now expected to function for merely 47 years, virtually half of the estimated of 88 years. Similarly, the actual siltation rate observed in Hirakud is 141.67%, Maithan Dam is 808.64%, and Godh Dam is 426.59%. Study on reservoir sedimentation shows that Indian reservoirs are designed with a poor understanding of sedimentation science. The designs underestimated the rate of siltation and overestimate the life storage capacity created. Expected problems in the future. When soil replaces the water in reservoirs, supply gets choked. The cropped area begins receiving less and less water as time progresses. The net sown water area either shrinks in size or depends on rains or groundwater, which is overexploited. Crop yield gets affected severely and disrupts the farmer's income. A number of scholarly studies shows that several reservoirs across many river basins may have already depleted substantially, due to which floods have become more frequent downstreams of dam. The flooding of Bharuch in 2020, Kerala in 2018 and Chennai in 2015 are few examples attributed to downstream release from reservoirs. The nation will eventually be unable to find sufficient water in 21st century to feed the rising population by 2050. Therefore, it is imperative for all stakeholders to come together to address this situation urgently.